The most popular types of deck railings today are aluminum and glass, or frameless glass railings. Cable railings, horizontal or vertical, are also starting to get some traction and become a little more popular, but they still remain expensive. All the railing types that are popular today are low maintenance or zero maintenance. Apart from these three main types, which is aluminum, glass, and cable railings, there are also composite railings. Each of the composite manufacturers has their own railing line, but these railings are difficult to install, and we rarely sell these railings. Most of the railings that people buy would fall in those three categories that I already mentioned.